Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Jubilee Life Mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser. In the URL box, type in jubileelifeng.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site for Jubilee Life Mortgage Bank PLC, go ahead and click on the internet banking option. You can also find the internet banking option at the top of the screen from the main homepage. Choose your banking type and you will then find yourself in the login page. In order to manage and access your mortgage account, you'll need to enter credentials in the text boxes. Start off by typing in your username. Now type in your password on the next field. If you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in your details, click Login and you will then be able to log into your Jubilee Life Mortgage account online. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.